Hi, I'm Teddy. Welcome to my amusement park. Would you like to hang out with me and learn about vowel sounds and how to make words with vowels? Great! We are going to have so much fun! Let's start by learning the 5 letters of the alphabet that are called vowels. Say them with me. A, E, I, O, U. Now, sing them with me. A, E, I, O, U. Here is a special song that will help you learn your vowels. A, E, I, O, U. I can learn vowels too. A, E, I, O, U. It's fun for me and you. Singing is so much fun. Now let's see if you can find all the hidden vowels in my amusement park. When you find a vowel, E, O, U, I, A. You are doing a super job. Hey, did you know that each vowel makes 2 sounds? One sound is long and one sound is short. A, E, I, O, A. Let's listen to an example of the short vowel in a word over at the Ferris wheel. A, cat. E, pen. I, pig. O, dog. A, bug. Next, you'll get to play the whack-a-mole game. When the mole comes out of the hole holding the word, click the vowel that the word contains at the bottom of the screen. But watch the timer. The mole goes back in the hole after 15 seconds. I, yippee! E, yippee! A, yippee! O, yippee! U, yippee! You are doing great! Let's see if you can identify words on your own. Can you click on the word hat? Hat. Now click on the word egg. Egg. Now click on the word dog. Dog. Now click on the word pig. Pig. Now click on the word fun. Fun. These are all examples of words with short vowel sounds. Do you remember the other sound a vowel makes? The other sound is long. Click on each vowel of the roller coaster to hear the long vowel sounds. A, E, I, O, U. Let's listen to an example of the long vowel in a word over at the carousel. A, ape. E, bee. I, pie. O, goat. U, glue. Next, you'll get to play the whack-a-mole game. When the mole comes out of the hole holding the word, click the vowel that the word contains at the bottom of the screen. But watch the timer. The mole goes back in the hole after 15 seconds. I, yippee! E, yippee! A, yippee! O, yippee! U, yippee! You are doing great! Let's see if you can identify words on your own. Can you click on the word rake? Rake. Now click on the word feet. Feet. Now click on the word toe. Toe. Now click on the word bike. Bike. Now click on the word blue. Blue. These are all examples of words with long vowel sounds. Let's play the last game at the Ferris wheel before you leave the amusement park. As you can see, each Ferris wheel cart has a vowel on it. The word you are trying to complete is in the middle. Click on a vowel to complete the word and click the Done button to check your answer. Good luck! These are examples of short vowel sounds. Cap, cop, cup. These are examples of short vowel sounds. Peg, pig, pug. These are examples of short vowel sounds. Dig, dog, dug. These are examples of short vowel sounds. Top, tap, tip. These are examples of short vowel sounds. Fun, fan, fin. These are examples of long vowel sounds. Cake, coke. These are examples of long vowel sounds. Tree, true. These are examples of long vowel sounds. Ice, ace. These are examples of long vowel sounds. Low, law. These are examples of long vowel sounds. June, Jane. You are so smart, and it was so much fun playing with you. Please come back to the amusement park with me sometime to review your vowels. Not only did you learn your short and long vowel sounds, But you also learned how to make words with vowels. Way to go! Let's finish by singing the vowel song again. A, E, I, O, U. I can learn vowels too. A, E, I, O, U. It's fun for me and you.